The Exodus wallets are in continuous development to improve functionality and feature sets. We maintain a rigorous bi-weekly release cycle and have never missed a release since the very first version of Exodus in late 2015. There are two methods to update your desktop wallet: the auto update inside your wallet or direct download from the Exodus.io website. Your wallet will notify you when an update is available. Just click the Update Now button to begin the download. Once the file is downloaded, all you need to do is restart the wallet and voila! Your new shiny updated Exodus wallet is ready for a spin. If you would rather go the old-fashioned route, desktop updates are available from the Exodus.io website for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Once your file is downloaded, unpacked, and installed, you're ready to go. If you should ever run into any trouble, have questions, or would just like to share your experience, our blockchain experts are standing by to help 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We would love to have you as part of the Exodus community. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.